Hi, I'm Logarithms and people call me Log. In this video you're going to see who I am and how powerful I am in mathematical world. Yep, I'm really powerful in mathematical world. Now let's see some math. 16 can be expressed in three different forms as exponents: 2 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 2 and 16 to the power of 1. There is another example here, 625. You can express this number as power of three numbers here, 5 to the power of 4, 25 to the power of 2, and 625 to the power of 1. Hey, yeah, wait, you are in soon. Just wait. Please go away. Now, let's see the different ways of writing 16 as an exponent. The power of 16 when expressed in base 2 is 4, which means 2 to the power of 4 is 16. The same 16 when expressed in base 4, the power becomes 2. So the power of 16 when expressed in base 4 is 2. The same 16 but the base is 16, then the power becomes 1. Now let's bring in our friend Mr. Log. Hello. The power of 16 when expressed in base 2 is 4, and we know that in exponent form it's 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. Now how do you bring this log person in? The power of is written in mathematics as log. Yes, our Mr. Log there. Log of 16, which is same as power of 16, but when expressed in base 2, that comes in this place of log 16 to the base 2 is equal to 4, which means 2 to the power of 4 is 16. One more example. The power of 16 when expressed in base 4 is 2. The exponent form of this is, yes, Mr. Log, you're coming in. Yes, let's first write it as exponent. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. So the power, which is log of 16, when 16 is expressed in base 4, the answer would be, the power would be 2. Yes. Next, one more. The power of 16, when expressed in base 16, is 1. The power log 16 when expressed in the base 16 is equal to 1, and there is our Mr. Log coming in to say what is the power of 16 when it's raised to the base 16, right? Now let's try to express this number, the 625, in different bases and see what the powers would be, and this is an exercise for you. So 625 when expressed in base 5, what's the power? And now express this in log. 625 when it's in base 5, the power is 4. Now this is for you in log form. Yes. One more in log form. 625 base 625, the power is 1. Yeah. In general, let's generalize what we learned just now. The power of a number a when expressed in base b is c can be written in exponent form as b to the power of c is equal to a. But in logarithmic form, we write log of a base b is equal to c, which means the number a when it's written in base b, the power is c. Yeah, the power. Now let's play with our Mr. Log. Log of 125, the number 125 when expressed in base 5 would give us the power of, I think you made a good guess there, it's 3. The log 256 to base 2, what's the power of 2 to get 256? Now it's going to be 8. Now these questions are for you. 49 to base what is 2, and log what to base 4 would give you a 3. Hope you understood everything here, and it's our log, and I think we know why we call this as the most powerful person in mathematics. Bye bye.